stacked a bunch of these on top of each other, somewhere around 50 sprites being randomized. I have to admit I like the fuller look and will probably be filling in my sprites a little more. If you look closely, you can see two of them did end up on the same randomized sorting